The Bombi Bēbee V2 Stroller features an ultra-lightweight design crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, making it perfect for parents who need a combination of durability and portability. Its innovative one-hand fold mechanism allows for quick and effortless collapsing, making it an ideal choice for busy parents on the move. This stroller is built to handle tough terrains with ease, thanks to its all-wheel suspension and premium tires, ensuring a smooth ride on any surface. Eco-conscious parents will appreciate the UV-protective rPET fabric, which not only shields little ones from harmful rays, but also repurposes single-use plastic bottles. Ample storage is provided with an XL easy access basket, hidden pocket, and multiple compartments, making it convenient for families on the go. The Bombi Bēbee V2 Stroller is designed with safety and practicality in mind, featuring a dual-action safety mechanism and a no-rethread harness, accommodating children up to 50 pounds.